Hey guys, it's Queen Morgan. And of course, you are thinking, what am I the queen of? The queen of animal habitats. This is my pet, Pola. She is my best friend. I love her so much. And she's a polar bear from the animal habitat of tundra. I even made my own dioramas. Look at them, they're so cute. Okay, so here's the first one. Okay. I have to admit, I love snakes. Oh, and these are my pets. Snakes. And I pet alligator. Ooh, my tigers. Yeah, I have a lot of little pets. So here's the inside. So yeah, and here's my rainforest. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my special room. Oh, and just saying, I have an addition to gymnastics and dancing. So I have a mat. Oh yeah, and this is my beam. I'm really good at gymnastics. Okay. Let me go and show you my room in the palace. Okay, I'm a little messy, just like an animal. So that's why. Oh, my pet pug. Yeah, I have a lot of pets. So yeah, I like to put my room to a lot below 0 degrees. I'm cold-blooded or warm-blooded, whatever it's called. I'm always warm, so even if I turn up really cold, it's just perfect. Oh yeah, my bed. Yeah, see this is my special hideout. I make this so nobody can see me, and so I don't get that much popular. So, yes, I know. I'm addicted to animals, and I'm a little messy. Oh, and I love candy too. I'll eat anything, except like a lot of vegetables. Yuck. Okay. So this is my whole room viewing. I love poops. I know, that's my real. I know. I love emojis and that stuff. Oh, my BFF. I'm Morgan Bear, the last name. And that's my friend, Kiss Me Up Uncle. She loves the color white. That's why we into that. And then there's that. Okay. So I'm gonna give you guys back to me. So here, I'll let you guys have a candy. My beautiful candy jar. Oh, and there's also here. I'll let you have some more Easter sweethearts. They're so good. I love the green one. Putting it in my mouth. I love it. I'll put in the purple one. I have to get so much energy because I'm going to gymnastics. Today, do an open play. So yeah, I'm a queen. My mom's a princess. Because Okay, I don't have a mom. Just kidding. I really don't have a mom. But it's my daughter. She's so big. I'm impressed. She's the tallest one in the school. Yeah, so she's the princess of Habitats. Until I die, she's gonna be the queen. I'm only 28. She's only 14. So yeah.